We've just come along the beach from home in that direction because the tide is supposedly low this morning in another 20 minutes, half hour or so. And we're on the neck of the peninsula that runs out to what we call Two Tree Island. No trees, of course. And on the other side is the estuary, you might say, of the Greenlaw Brook, where it empties into the Waweig River here. And you can see the waterfall coming down here. And we'll just zoom in a bit and get a little closer look at this. And we will follow its course across the mud flats here. Of course, there's always the intrepid animals waiting for activity. And down here we'll see a valiant trooper dog looking for ducks. And this is our destination down here, but I suspect there's going to be too much water for us to be able to wade across like we sometimes can. So we'll have a look. We'll wander out to Two Tree Island, treeless Two Tree Island, and have another quick look from there. Hopefully not make this video too long. It's always a lovely spot. Grand view, untold amounts of fresh air, fabulous lichens. Yesterday flying over, the tide was, you can see how high the tide was. It was right up to these orange lichens. And there's our destination down there. But I won't leave the camera running while we're doing that. Yes, there may be a space across. Right about there, I would say. And another look at the waterfall, and now it's springtime grandeur. This is where a tripod's needed. Anyway, there's a valiant trooper dog. And one more look out to sea. Mouth of the Waweig.